The problem he reported on this screen is that this end
it can be
wired.
seen that this customer has also
Let's
been
take a look at the
described.
specific situation.
Okay, let's turn it over and see.
There is indeed a line at this position.
So what about this question?
Usually it is caused by the reliability here. How do we judge because of this line? Which one is this line close to? That is, which one is reliable and has a problem? Let's take this screen apart first. Okay, when we take apart this screen,
please pay attention.
Don't break the screen. Then, when dismantling, let's try to use this small piece as much as possible. Come and cut this tape for him. There is tape sticking around it. Be sure to pay attention when
stretch
dismantling.
this thing.
If it is stretched too far, it is easy to scratch the backlight. Because we just need to cut this tape open. That's it. Okay, let's shave the reliable side. Please pay attention. Don't break the screen. Also, don't hurt other reliable ones. Be careful when paddling here. Don't be afraid to be slow. Don't dry the bottle. Especially here. Be sure to slide slowly. Okay, let's go slower at this time. Let's use this suction ball to suck. See if there is still unopened glue inside. What if you encounter this situation? Let's give him this again. Let's go through this again. Okay, what about this screen now? We've taken it down. Then let's put his backpack aside. Then he has this tape under it. Because we need to press against the fibers. So it is necessary to tear off the rubber strip on it. After we clean this rubber strip, shall we? Don't be in a hurry to cover it with a film. Do you want to stick these residues on it dry? Net. Prevent it from happening. We shredded it during the repair process. Okay, so what about just now? Did we wipe it clean too? Now let's apply a film to it. Don't scratch the polarizer of this PO2. And then this time, let's apply this film as flat as possible. After applying, at that time, let's pull this extra part off for it. And at this point, we're going to flip the screen. At this time, let's find a cotton swab. Break the other head off. Because it has this glue on it. When are we dismantling the reliable? You need to remove this glue from it first. Let's adjust the bellows. This temperature is 260 to 270. Okay, so we can see that the temperature is already rising. Then let's blow on this glue. Okay, we just put this glue on. Clean it up. It's clean. Now let's unbuckle. Be slow when dismantling. Okay, let's not blow it to the end here. Let's start dismantling the logical version here. Okay, so is this reliable? After we take it down, let's show him the model number. Okay, I have also confirmed this model. We have new materials here. We just took a look at this reliable model. I also confirmed that I have new materials here. And before that, let's glue this screen first. Let's put the trash aside. Then move the screen out. Then take a cotton swab. Do we need to use this thing again? Is it green pepper? It's corrosive. Be careful when using. Let's not apply too much at this time. Don't infiltrate the green pepper agent into the screen. Then the screen will be useless. Okay, after we finish painting, let's use this to wipe the putty and wipe it for him. Let's cut a small piece. Then spray a little alcohol. Then we use the wipe. Be sure to wipe it with a cloth for him after wiping it. When wiping, we also need to observe whether the fibers here are broken. It is obvious that some fibers are broken. Like this one. We can observe that he is not disconnected. It's finished gluing. Let's get a new material. Let's put the screen aside. Okay, our ACF glue has 2 specifications. What about this 1.5 specification? Just stick this glass. And this reliable connection location. That's it here. This reliable and narrow position is pasted on this. The density of these 2 glues we should pay attention when posting. Then the same. This is the 2.0 specification on the other side of the sticker. Let's post it for him. When posting, we also need to observe whether there is any problem with the new material. Let's press it with our hands when pasting. Then cut off the excess part for it. Okay. At this time, let's use this side to press this rubber strip. The machine presses it. This is for heating. Yeah. Preliminary makes this reliable. This ACF glue creates bonding. It is convenient to press on the glass at that time. So the same? Our sticker is also here. The operation steps are exactly the same except as above. Except that the specifications of these 2 glues are different. Before we move the glass over, let's give him the crystal block below first, and clean this knife head. Then, let's put the screen on him. You can see that he is also gray on the screen. At this time, let's wipe it clean as well. Okay, let's press it now, at this time. Use this knife head to align this position first. Okay, what about this location? About the same. Probably, at this time, we're going to put this iron block behind the screen to prevent misalignment when it is pressed later. Then, at this time, let's put this white plastic sheet. Cover it. So, let's look at this. Reliable location on both sides. Let's adjust it for him first. Okay, then let's take this white film away. Glue our reliable one. Even when it's sticky, we must set him straight. Otherwise, it will cause when we are facing the line later. There are certain difficulties. Then wipe the top clean as well. We can find fibers here. Is it a little biased? At this time, we need to correct it. Okay. What about after we align this? So do we. Click on it for him. Okay. At this time, let's cut a section of this iron hibiscus. Then put it on top. Then let's press it. Okay. What about after the screen is pressed? Let's tear this beautiful paper for him. At this point, let's take this iron block aside. Then use this high-temperature tape. Let's put this logic board. Check the fiber for him here. Okay, we also put this logic board. Are the fibers aligned here? Then click on the same method. Then let's roughly check this position first. Okay. Then let's press it. Okay, let's use our own backlight. Click the screen for him. Check if this screen is repaired. Okay, we can see
What
it.
about this position
The line
just
position
now?
on it is no longer available. This is because we have a new customer. His thread is no longer available. It also proves the failure of this screen. We also successfully repaired it.